In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your saved Google Looker Studio reports. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for anything you've created, anything shared with you, and even items you thought were gone. Let's get started. First, open Google Looker Studio in your browser. When you land on the home page, you'll see a clean dashboard with a navigation panel on the left. This is your hub for everything. Think of it as your library of reports and dashboards. The main area lists your content, and the left side helps you quickly filter what you're seeing so you don't waste time hunting around. Start by heading to the Recent section. This view shows the reports you've opened or edited most recently, which is often the fastest way to get back to something you were just working on. If you work across multiple projects, Recent is a huge time saver because it bubbles up the items you interacted with last, right at the top. Next, move to Shared with Me. This is where reports that other people have given you access to will appear. It's perfect for team dashboards, client reports, or anything a collaborator wants you to review. If you know a colleague sent you a link recently but you can't locate the email, Shared with Me is the best place to check first. Now head over to Owned by Me. This view isolates the reports you created, which is helpful if your workspace is crowded or you manage a lot of shared content. Everything here is under your ownership, so it's a reliable way to find the assets you're responsible for maintaining. Take a moment to look at Trash. This is a safety net where deleted items go before they're permanently removed. If something seems to have disappeared, it's worth confirming whether it was accidentally deleted. Reviewing Trash helps you verify that nothing critical was removed before you move on. Return to Recent to wrap up the quick tour. Think of this as your home base. If you're not sure where to start, Recent typically gets you back on track fast. Finally, find the report you want and click it to open. Your report will load and you can immediately view the latest data and pages. From here, you're ready to continue your analysis, share insights, or pick up your work exactly where you left off. That's it. You've seen where to locate your saved Looker Studio reports using Recent, Shared with Me, Owned by Me, and Trash, and how to open the one you need with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.